Hello friends, welcome to my video. And this video we gonna see the demonstration of very popular indicator over Mt4 and tradingview, and the indicator name is half trend. You can see this is a half trend indicator, and normally we use this in tradingview or Mt4, but this scanner we have developed for the Mt4 platform. So let's see how it works. So this is our main dashboard of half trend scanner. You can see the script name is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank half trend last buy signal given on 642. Okay, so here is the entry price. Okay, and after given the buy signal, 25 points is in a profit. Okay, so this half trend I have set in the time frame of 1 hour, and you can select your own time frame as per your trading style. So let's see. So let's check simply with the last script call pal. Click view button. You can see the indicator chart will open. So here you see 1520 is a buying price of half trend indicator. So whatever alerts gonna come in this scanner, so that will be 100% non-repaint. So there was bug actually in Mt4 half trend indicator, so we have fixed that. So whatever alerts gonna come in the scanner, that will be 100% non-repaint. So you can use this scanner for MCX, NSE, Forex, or any script which works in Mt4. On that script you can run this scanner. So if you want to install in your Mt4 system, please contact me on my given number. Thank you.